Hello guys, ngayon napakita ko sa inyo ang ginawa naming signage. So, yan, susubukan ko magpailaw. This is it. This is it guys. Pag-uutang elementary school. Try namin ngayon magpailaw. If it's okay, if it's not. Gumagawa din kami ng plug pole para sa indoor stands at saka yung pole. Ito na. We will try to make it right. Just relax and take it easy. We will try. Guys, sino is 14 watts LED light. Ito na, sinubukan na namin magpailaw. Di ko alam anong resulta. Oh my god, it's lightning.